It's Brett Kingster, unless you're listening to me on my sports channel on Live Leak, which happens to be the We Find Out channel, using that one for sports. Yeah, man, I wanted to talk about freaking Chris Weidman. Something ain't right with him, man. No, it's when I look at him, I get this weird fucking vibe. It's like the motherfucker's an alien. I don't mean an alien like a UFO, like something from another planet. I mean an alien from another realm. This man created his own reality. It's like he imposed his will and conquered the cosmic will of the fucking universe. He beat Anderson Silva twice. And on the second time, it was as if a regular man tried to kick Superman and had his damn leg fly off. The whole time, this freak Weidman is just ice cool through the whole thing. It's like shit from this world doesn't affect him. He disconnected Anderson Silva's leg from his body. Can you wrap your head around that? Dude kicked him and his leg broke off. That's some shit, man. To be able to walk around saying, when Anderson Silva kicked me, his leg flew off. Do you know what would happen to you? You listening to me right now, who should be putting some money in my damn PayPal so I have time to make more of these videos. You listening to me right now, you know what would happen if Anderson Silva had kicked you in the same way he kicked Weidman? Your head would explode. Straight up, man, your fucking head would explode. And Weidman was able to time that perfectly with a knee and break his leg off, man. I have left dudes unrecognizable, but I have never detached a limb with my damn knee. Anyone who thinks Chris Weidman won because of luck is a damn idiot. And they should ask themselves, why is it that when Anderson Silva gave the same opportunity to be lucky to everyone else, 30-some other men, none of them got lucky. Yet Chris Weidman got lucky twice. Chris Weidman is some shit, man. I know a lot of people listening to this are going to be wondering, well, what happens when Chris Weidman meets Vitor Belfort? Will Chris Weidman check his face the same way he checked Anderson Silva's leg? Or will he have Chris Weidman's kryptonite in the form of TRT? Mathematically, I would say Vitor on high amounts of TRT should be able to finish off Weidman, maybe in the first round. Saw that kick he did to Luke Rockhold. However, Chris Weidman's camp has gone through the trouble of expressing concern about his use of TRT. So therefore, he may have to fight Chris Weidman in the same way Josh Barnett had to fight Travis Brown. We all know how that ended for Josh Barnett. Things are getting pretty interesting in the world of MMA. Falling in love with Ronda Rousey. Sometimes I can close my eyes and it's as if she becomes my imaginary friend. I can have virtual conversations with her. Like she's right here with me. I imagine myself telling her how much I admire and respect her technical abilities. She's fascinating. I saw her one time put a dude on her back and do a front flip using perfect form. UFC is kind of freaking out because they're losing all their big stars. Silva's gone. Kane is gone. I'm intimately familiar with the type of surgery Cain Velasquez just had. And I could tell you, it's going to probably take him at least 2 years before he feels as good as he did before the injury. So in other words, Cain Velasquez is gone. George St. Pierre is gone. So because Ronda is the one name that will consistently sell, you're going to be seeing her a lot. Which means I'm going to be wanting to do a lot more of these MMA shows. So if you like them, hook me up with the PayPal. It will free up my schedule and make it so I have time to invest in this and not have to do other bullshit. And you can follow me on the Twittering. Just follow, go to Nurse Chad USA, all one word. On Live Leak, if you listen to me there, I do my sports on the We Find Out channel.